Ever wondered how indoor air quality could affect your health and well-being? Indoor plants play a crucial role in this. Not only do they beautify our spaces, but they also filter harmful toxins and release oxygen. Today, we will reveal the top 5 indoor plants that can help improve your air quality. Starting with our first champion, the spider plant. This resilient green warrior is renowned for its air-purifying prowess. It's a breeze to maintain and thrives under various conditions, making it a perfect indoor companion. The spider plant, a beginner-friendly solution for cleaner air. Moving on to our second superstar, the snake plant. This resilient green gem stands out for its ability to release oxygen at night, unlike most plants. Plus, it thrives even in lower light levels. The snake plant, a perfect bedroom companion for better air. Next on our list is the elegant peace lily. This plant is not only a visual treat with its beautiful flowers, but also a powerhouse in removing harmful toxins from the air, enhancing the overall air quality. The peace lily, a beautiful and effective choice. At number 4, we have the lush Boston fern. This vibrant green plant doubles as a natural humidifier, thriving best in cool environments with high humidity. It loves to soak up the moisture in the air. The Boston fern, a perfect choice for bathrooms or kitchens. Last but not least, aloe vera. This unique plant doesn't just soothe sunburns, it releases oxygen at night, contributing to purer, healthier air while you sleep. Plus, its healing properties are a bonus. Aloe vera, a plant that heals you and your air. So these are our top 5 indoor air purifying plants: the spider plant, snake plant, peace lily, Boston fern, and aloe vera. Each one of them holds unique air purifying qualities, making your living space cleaner and healthier. They're not just decor, they're your silent green warriors. Remember, a plant-filled home is a happy and healthy one. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more plant wisdom.